Hi everyone, it's Jessica Russell coming to you today with the housing market update for September 2020. If you have seen my market updates for the last few months, you have heard that the struggles we were having, it was low inventory, but high buyer demand due to the low interest rates. And that has continued through September. I was a little anxious to see these numbers because typically September is when things start to slow down with back to school and end of summer. But we still saw a very strong buyer demand. The interest rates being in the twos has really just driven those buyers to get back out there. They're going to be saving $100, $200 a month in their mortgage payment just with those lower interest rates. But let me share some of these numbers with you. First of all, the number of homes for sale, our inventory, this has been the struggle. The last few months we've seen that we were down around 30 to 35% each month in inventory. That actually became even more of a drastic difference. It has dropped, it's 48%, almost half of the amount of homes that are for sale now compared to last year. So that is what is causing these multiple offer situations that we have been seeing over the last few months, and that's getting even stronger now. Pending sales, it was up 10%. So that should tell you that 10% increase in the buyer demand in homes going under contract with a 50% drop in the number of homes that are actually available. So very strong sellers market because of this, but for the buyers, you don't need to be scared about getting out there. It is going to be a little bit of work. You may end up in multiple offer situations, but those low interest rates really do make it worth it with the amount of money that you could be saving right now. Now, because of those things, that strong buyer demand with low inventory, that has caused our days on market to drop. The median days on market is 15 right now, where last year was 34, so more than half the number of days to sell. Average sales price is up to $394,000, close to $400 now. That's up 11%. Let me tell you, double-digit percent increase, it is huge. That's a big number. We saw double-digit increases for a few years there in like the 2015, 16, 17. We had those huge increases year over year for a few years, and then the market leveled off. For the last few years in Denton County, we were only seeing 1%, or so. There was, I think 2018 was only like 2.9, so very small increases. And what that meant for some sellers, when you were trying to sell and you would only own the home for a few years, you just didn't have as much equity built up. So now you have this large jump. So if you tried to sell or had thought about selling over the last few years but realized that you didn't have the equity to get what you needed to sell, this may be the right time for you. You don't have the competition out there and home values have risen, so maybe now you have the equity. So if you have considered selling or want to know what your home would actually sell for now, send me a message and I can send you a report for your home in your neighborhood so that you can see how much your home is worth now and the equity that you have in it. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Bye.